ispace completes Success 5 of Mission 2 Milestones, Tokyo. Business Wire. ispace, Inc. Scenario. ispace, Tokyo, 9348, a global lunar exploration company, announced today that the Resilience lunar lander successfully completed a flyby of the Moon on February 15, 2025, reaching its closest point at 22:43 Coordinated Universal Time, February 14, 2025. The Resilience lander came within approximately 8,400 kilometers of the Moon's surface on its flyby, a historic first of its type for a Japanese private commercial lunar lander. RESILIE.
Apple aims to bring AI features and spatial content app to Vision Pro. Bloomberg reports Apple is planning to add Apple Intelligence to its Vision Pro headset, along with an updated mode for guest users and a spatial content app as early as April, Bloomberg News reported on Saturday.
Buffett holds Apple shares in sign of support. Warren Buffett filed his holdings with the SEC Form 13F, which covered the most recent calendar quarter, the final quarter of 2024.
TikTok returns to Apple and Google App Stores in the U.S. TikTok has returned to the app stores of Apple and Google in the U.S. after President Donald Trump delayed the enforcement of a TikTok ban.
Think it's too late to buy Berkshire Hathaway? Here's the biggest reason. There's still time. I've said many times before that if I could only own one stock, it would be Berkshire Hathaway, BRK-A minus 0.33%. BRK-B minus 0.19%. In short, investing in Berkshire is like buying a diversified investment portfolio selected by some of the best minds in the industry.
Warren Buffett's 2025 letter to Berkshire shareholders is coming soon. Watch this number. Even Buffett is struggling to outperform this bull market. Berkshire's massive cash stake is key.
Warren Buffett's best single measure of stock valuations just made history, but not in a good way. For more than 2 years, Wall Street has been a stomping ground for the bulls. Since the curtain opened for 2023, the mature stock-powered Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJI minus 0.37%, benchmark S&P 500, GSPC minus 0.01%, and growth-inspired Nasdaq Composite, IXIC 0.41%, have respectively rocketed higher by 34%, 58%, and 88%.
North Carolina Amazon workers vote against unionizing workers, and an Amazon warehouse in Garner, North Carolina, voted against unionizing in election results announced today.
Amazon workers reject union in vote at North Carolina warehouse. Amazon workers at a site in Garner, North Carolina, voted against unionizing. Organizers had been campaigning at the warehouse since 2022, hoping to secure higher wages and longer breaks.
Amazon North Carolina workers reject union, handing retailer win in labor fight. Amazon workers in North Carolina voted on Saturday against joining a union, a big win for the retail giant which has vigorously opposed organized labor at its facilities across the United States.
TMDX investors have opportunity to lead TransMedics Group, Inc. securities fraud lawsuit with the Schall law firm Los Angeles, Business Wire. TMDX investors have opportunity to lead TransMedics Group, Inc. securities fraud lawsuit with the Schall law firm.
TransMedics Group, Inc. is being investigated for securities law violations, and shareholders with losses are urged to contact the Schall law firm, Los Angeles, California. ACCESS Newswire, February 15, 2025. The Schall law firm, a national shareholder rights litigation firm, announces that it is investigating claims on behalf of investors of TransMedics Group, Inc., TransMedics or the company, NASDAQ, TMDX, for violations of the securities laws. The investigation focuses on whether the company ISS.
TMDX Investor News. Rosen, the first filing firm, encourages TransMedics Group, Inc. investors to secure counsel before important deadline in securities class action, first filed by the firm, TMDX New York, ACCS Newswire, February 15, 2025 YY. Rosen Law Firm, a global investor rights law firm, announces it has filed a class action lawsuit on behalf of purchasers of securities of TransMedics Group, Inc. NASDAQ TMDX, between February 28, 2023 and January 10, 2025, both dates inclusive.